Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel 50 Ideas. 50 Ideas is YouTube channel where you can find ideas about garden plants, furniture DIY and craft designs and decorative ideas. So subscribe our YouTube channel 50 Idea. Sure, I'd be happy to provide a more detailed explanation of beauty trips for you. Beauty trips can refer to a variety of travel experiences that are centered around the concept of beauty. For some people, beauty trips may involve traveling to destinations that offer a wide range of beauty treatments, such as spas, salons, and clinics. These trips are often designed to help travelers relax, rejuvenate, and improve their physical appearance. During a beauty trip, travelers may have the opportunity to indulge in a variety of treatments, such as massages, facials, body wraps, and other pampering services. Many beauty trips also include activities like yoga, meditation, and healthy eating to help promote overall wellness. Beauty trips can take place in many different locations around the world. Some of the most popular destinations for beauty trips include luxury resorts in tropical locations, health retreats in secluded natural settings, and urban centers with thriving beauty industries. Another type of beauty trip involves traveling to destinations that offer natural beauty, such as national parks, beaches, and mountains. These trips are often focused on appreciating and connecting with the natural world, rather than on beauty treatments. Travelers may enjoy hiking, camping, or other outdoor activities that allow them to immerse themselves in the beauty of their surroundings. Finally, some beauty trips may focus on exploring the cultural beauty of different destinations. This could involve visiting museums and art galleries to appreciate the work of famous artists, exploring historical sites and monuments, or immersing oneself in the local culture through food, music, and other experiences. Overall, beauty trips can be a great way to take a break from the stresses of everyday life and focus on self-care and relaxation. Whether you're looking to pamper yourself with spa treatments, explore the natural beauty of the world, or learn more about different cultures, there's a beauty trip out there that's perfect for you.